Hey guys, welcome. This is Let's Play Borderlands 2, number 3, and let's get right to it. So I left off right when I died, for sure. Yeah, it's a terrible way to start. Terrible. Right when I started, I died. So. Much money do I lose? Yeah, fight this huge dragon thing. I don't really know what it is. Oh my god, this guy's tough. How do we kill it? I'm serious. Ow. That hurt. Okay. Oh my god. That guy was kind of tough. Okay, got it.
Got the beacon? Good. We can use that to request an uncalibrated fast travel unit from their moon base. You'll need a quiet place to set up the beacon. Head to the town of Overlook. Thanks to Hyperion's mining operations,
Just get started.
the people of Overlook suffer from the skull shivers. They won't disturb us.
Health. That was tough. I definitely agree. It wasn't that tough because I'm a boss, you know.
Well, we've got no plan to stop Jack, but at least the quakes from his drills aren't shaking the city anymore. Silver linings, you know?
Yep. RBG. Looks beautiful. Truly does. Truly does. Okay. Let's do this.
Oh, this is so frustrating. You see, this is what I don't get about you bad guys. You know the hero's gonna win, but you just don't die quickly. Man, example, there's one guy in New Haven, right? City's burning, people dying left and right, yada yada yada. This general lunges me with a spoon. A freaking spoon, and I'm dying laughing, right? So I scoop on his stupid little eyeballs with it, and his kids are all, wah!
Oh my god.
He's pumping into stuff, and anyway, I don't know, maybe you guys read that. The moral is, you're a little bitch.
Holy crap. Personally, probably heavy duty. I keep on running out of ammo. Need more ammo. Where can I get more ammo? Thing. Goodbye, world. I'm totally gonna die. Okay. God. Need more ammo. I'm out of ammo. All my weapons. Nothing I can do. That's a great way to die. Totally. Run out of ammo for all of your weapons. This is very annoying.
Hyperion thanks you for your patronage.
Okay. That's my ammo. Trying to pick up a weapon. I should have made it. When you die, you regain all of your ammo. Or at least most of it. Well, it usually does do that. Not this time. Mother Nature hates it sometimes. Truly does. Huh. And I started looting stuff. That's what I need to do. I have ammo again. There we go, more ammo. Find some ammo. Laying around the place, there's gotta be. Okay. Good. That was handy. Handy. Good sound. More robots. Wonderful. No, never mind. Die. I can picture that guy right there as a photo. Oh my god. Oh man, that was I'm screwed. Oh yeah. I wonder how long this is gonna go for. Seriously. People these days.
Luck in getting revenge on those who killed you, unless you were killed by Hyperion personnel.
Come on. These guys. At least I got some ammo. Yeah, I'm gonna die again. Wonderful.
Come on, not now!
Oh my god. Well, here, I'm gonna be back to this in a little bit. I had to walk a long way, so that's why we're here. Wow, I was sniping, but no snipe. No damage. Oh, my weapon's terrible right now. Wow, we already destroyed it. Oh my god. Bye world again. Oh my god. Well, that's all it's for this episode. The next episode's gonna be where I already passed all these guys, okay? I hope you enjoyed Borderlands. Let's play Borderlands on number 4, I think this is. Number 4 or 3 or something. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.